Path of Exile 2 fix constant crashing and PC restart after patch 0.54F. Verify game files, open Steam, go to Library, right-click Path of Exile 2, select Properties, open installed files, click Verify integrity of game files. 2. Restart your PC, restart your computer, open Steam again, launch Path of Exile 2. 3. Update your GPU driver, update your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver. Restart your PC after updating. If crashes started after a new driver, try a previous stable driver. Number 4. Clear DirectX shader cache, open Settings. Go to System, Storage, Temporary Files, select DirectX shader cache, click Remove Files, restart your PC. Number 5. Disable overlays. Turn off Steam overlay, Discord overlay, NVIDIA app overlay, AMD overlay, Xbox game bar. Then launch the game again. 6. Remove GPU overclock. Reset your GPU settings to default. Remove any overclock or undervolt. Restart your PC. Number 7. Close background apps. Close unnecessary apps such as MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, Discord, other monitoring apps. Then test the game again. 8. Update Windows. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install available updates. Restart your PC. 9. Reset game settings. Close Path of Exile 2 completely. Reset the game's local settings config files. Launch the game with default settings. Or 10. Reinstall the game. If the game still crashes, uninstall Path of Exile 2, restart your PC, install the game again, launch it without overlays or custom GPU settings first.